Okay, so it's quite a short video today. I just wanted to ask you one single question. My name is Charlotte Allen and you have reached my channel, The Felting Alchemist. It's going to be a very short video today, but a really important video. I just want to ask you this one super important question. What is your biggest challenge with needle felting? If I could take a magic wand and go poof, it's all better, what would it be in terms of needle felting? What is it that you find really frustrating about it, or you just can't do it, or you really want to learn how to do it but you have no idea where to start? All of those really frustrating things that I think we've all encountered at some point with needle felting. Please tell me what they are, because I would be really interested to know, and then hopefully I can put something together to help you with all those issues and gripes and challenges that you haven't been able to overcome as of yet. So I know some people struggle with maybe getting the finish of their sculptures really nice and smooth and fluff free. Some people struggle with things like hands and claws. So all those kind of practical issues with needle felting that are a real pain, if you could let me know, that would be amazing. So please let me know in the comments bar down below what your groans and gripes are, what your real challenges are with the art form of needle felting, and hopefully I will be able to help you out and together we can overcome those issues. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I'm posting daily at the moment and it just really helps me to get my needle felting help and advice out there, and also hopefully help you on a daily basis. I will see you tomorrow with more needle felting hints and tips, but until then, have a wonderful day and I will see you soon. Bye.